Everybody, welcome back. So if you've been paying any close attention to a lot of deals out there, especially even around Black Friday, around Cyber Monday, and then of course even after Christmas, like what I'm going to show you today, you'll notice there's a few companies out there. One of them I will refer to as Tactical Poo. That would be, you guys can figure out the actual name for that if you so please, or if it so pleases you. I'm not going to say it on the camera because YouTube's got some strange some strange policies with language, so I'm not even going to tell you, but I can show you. See that? See it there? There it is. Screenshot it. You can figure it out. Anyway, so companies like this one, as well as Sig, Lock & Colt, and Liberal Tears, I believe might be the other one. I think they're all owned by the same company, same guy, same whatever. A lot of people have had some negative dealings with them in the past. However, recently they made known that they have what they call some Ukrainian contract overrun plates from Chase Tactical. These are those level 4 plates, ceramic plates, and they're selling them really cheap. They're actually selling for $99 a plate. These are, of course, those, I think they call them a 10 by 12 multi-curve shooter's cut, and then of course they're ceramic, and then on top of that these plates are approximately 3/4 of an inch thick and weigh in about 7.5 pounds a piece. So if you guys have been concerned about ever placing an order from them, this is probably my 3rd or 4th order from them. This is just one of the ones I decided to actually unbox for you guys today so you can see what to expect. You can see it as I pull it out of the package. I will do my best to hide my packing slip because I don't feel like sharing that with the world. However, we're going to get off into it. I'm going to show you guys what you can expect if you want to go out and get you a couple plates. If you're a LEO, or even if you just want something for personal protection, security guard, whatever, this is a very cheap, affordable alternative because, as you guys full well know, plates can be very expensive and they're just not cheap. So without further ado, let's dive off in it so you guys can see what to expect. And you guys can see that this company is indeed real and they do indeed ship stuff. Gotta be careful. I'm watching out for my packing slip, which is probably in here. Well, maybe not. It might be under all this stuff, which is, I feel a lot better about that. Okay. Alright, so they packed it very well, as you guys can tell, with the cardboard, with the bubble wrap. I'm going to pull out one of those plates. There are 2 plates actually in this package, but we're just going to, for the sake of the video and for time, we're just going to take a gander at one of them. Let me set this on the floor. Okay, so this is that multi-curve plate from Chase Tactical. This is part of that Ukrainian contract overrun. You will notice that it has the cuts. It has the cuts and then it curves down and kind of curves up. So it kind of curves around the abdomen here. It's actually a really, really nice looking plate. I'll let you guys zoom in closely and take a look at this data plate. Of course, my big concern was, dear God, how old are these things? Well, if you guys will notice right here, these were manufactured in December of this year. These are level 4, has a warranty of 5 years, made in the USA, and both sets of plates look like this. This is, you know, these are really a smoking deal. Of course, they're just really covered in that heavy material, and you can slip these in any sort of plate carrier to offer whatever threat protection that you want to need, and just customize it however you want. But I just wanted to let you know that even if you order these from Tactical Poo or Tactical Caca, whatever you want to call them, you will get them. It does take a while. I'm not going to lie about that. I want to say it took me about a month to get my order, but I was super pleased with it. I was pleased with the way they packaged it. It just took them a while to get it here, and I think it's kind of a order by order basis. So I think they actually get them from Chase Tactical once they get a whole bunch of orders, and they ship them out to fulfill those orders. Be that as it may, it's cheap, and you know what? I'll go for it. But like I said, these are out there at their website, and a couple others that I mentioned. You guys, I can't provide the link, but you know, you guys are smart, you can figure that out. Of course, YouTube, I am not providing the link to these places in here, in this video, any of that. So you can't gig me on that. So anyway, like I said, just wanted to tell you guys about these. Just wanted to show you, hey, these are real and the company does ship them. And at the time of this filming, they still have them and they are still for sale, and they are $99 a piece. So you could have your really nice setup for, technically you could do it for 300 bucks or less than 300 bucks. So for any of you that are law enforcement officers, or any of you that do any sort of security services, this is a very affordable alternative if your specific company does not supply you with what you might consider adequate protection. Like I said, these plates are pretty thick and they're pretty hefty, at about 7 to 7.5 pounds a piece. I think that's actually what it says back here. No, it does not have the weight back here, but I want to say they're like 7.5 pounds. But anyway, these are of course made in the USA. So if you guys want to get you some of these, make sure you check them out. Of course, they are not endorsing this video. I really wish they did. That way I could get this kind of stuff for free, but you know, it is what it is. But I just wanted to share this with you guys in case you have any, in case you're a little nervous about placing an order through them. It does take a while. Like I said, I want to say it took right at 3 to 4 weeks before I got my order, but there was a lot of craziness going on with Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Christmas shopping, what have you, you name it. But anyway, just wanted to share this with you guys, and just want to thank you to my subscribers. Thank you guys for all your likes, your shares, your comments. It greatly helps out the channel, and I'll try to keep you guys apprised of more cool stuff like this in the future. I'll try to do a much better job of that, especially around the shopping season. My apologies. But until next time, thanks for watching. You guys have a great day.